So far, my season has been pretty packed with contests, actually. I started off in New Zealand with the New Zealand Open. I think the next one was Horse Herders Pleasure Jam in Dachstein, and then I went to Beijing for first Iron Style of the season. And then went down to O'Neill Evolution. It was a really fun week. We shredded a lot of powder during the week, and then eventually the event turned out really good. We were able to hit the big jump during finals, and level went through the roof again. Everyone was just throwing down big double cork 12s and stuff, and I got third place there. Really a great feeling to win a world title from the TTR. I'm really happy about it. It's one of the biggest achievements I've had so far.